Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day to Madam Myres and everyone. I am Nur Amani Husna binti Muhammad Rabi, metric number 082095 from Band 3A, and today I will be explaining the understanding of morphemic analysis. First, the definition of morphemic analysis. Morphemic analysis is a process of identifying units of words that have meaning, called morpheme, within a word. Morpheme can be divided into two parts, which are free morpheme and bound morpheme. Free morpheme is a morpheme that can stand alone, while bound morpheme is a morpheme that needed to be bound to something else to work. Bound morpheme is divided into two, which are root and affixes. Root morpheme is a unique meaningful unit of word that cannot be divided into smaller units, while affixes are word parts that are added to a root word to change its meaning or grammatical function. Affixes are divided into two, which are inflectional and derivational. Inflectional morphemes are added at the end of the root word to indicate grammatical relationship, such as verb tense or amount. On the other hand, derivational morphemes are prefixes or suffixes that are added to root words to create new words and new meanings. Derivational morphemes are divided into two, which are prefixes and suffixes. Prefix is a morpheme that is added at the beginning of a word, while suffix is added at the end of a word to change its meaning and grammatical function. Let's take a look at the example. The first example is the word beautiful. The word beautiful comes from the root word beauty and the addition of suffix full, and it made the word beautiful. The root word beauty is a noun and added the suffix full, it becomes beautiful, adjective. It changed the grammatical function. The meaning of beauty is attractiveness, and full is full of. So the word beautiful means full of attractiveness. The second example is unhappy. The root word the word unhappy came from the root word happy, which is added the prefix on the front. The word happy is an adjective, and when it added on the front, at the front, it became unhappy. Stay adjective, meaning it didn't change the grammatical function. The word "un" means not, while happy means feeling of joy. So when it was combined together, unhappy means not feeling joy. The last example is disagreement. The root word for disagreement is agree, and we add prefix dis and suffix ment to the word agree, and we get disagreement. Agree is a verb. Disagreement is a noun, and here we can see it changed the grammatical function. This in the prefix means opposite of. Agree in the root word means have the same opinion, while meant in suffix means state. So disagreement means the state of not having the same option. So the first insights. Morphology shows how different language might have a different meaning than what its English meaning is trying to convey. The second insight is recognizing the boundary between bound versus affix and free versus base can help in understanding how words are structured. Confusion and solution. First one is hard. The confusion is hard to identify and count layers of morphemes in a word. And the solution is learn how to correctly and properly break words and explore the meaning of each morphemes in the words, as it is crucial in understanding the actual meaning conveyed. So let's recap what we learned. Yeah, so morpheme are divided into two, free and bound. Free morpheme are divided into two, lexical and functional, while bound morpheme is divided into two also, root and affix. And affix that are divided into two, suffix and prefix. This is the simplest recap from what I learned. And the sources, I get all this information from YouTube channel as a linguistic. The title is Morphemes, How Many, Free or Bound. The second is the YouTube channel Kurshid Ujan, title Morpheme, Types of Morpheme, Free Morphemes and Bound Morpheme. The third sources is from the channel Even Ashworth, title Morphology Part 1. That's all from me. Thank you.